So let us enter the world of Java, create my first Java program. Now every program in Java is in the form of a class. Now we need to create a file. Now let me create a file, and every file in Java has an extension of .java. So every file that I create must have an extension of .java. So if the file name is first cup, however I can name my class as any other name, say class A, and any file can have any number of classes, say class A, class B, class C. So when we compile, Java C is the compiler. We need to compile the file rather than any individual class. Now when we compile, we had three classes within the file. So as you can see, we have three .class files corresponding to each class. So whatever is the number of classes you make within any file, you will get same number of class files, and the name of the class file, as you can see, is A, which is the name of the class. A, B and C, they are all the name of the classes that we had made with an extension of .class. So they are all compiled class files for the classes that we have created within the file. However, to run any class, we write Java and then the name of the class without .class, just the name of the class. Now as you can see, there is an error which says no such method error main. To run any class, it is essential that the class must have main. So any class that does not have main cannot be run independently. However, it can be used from other classes. So I'll just modify my class and include a main. So this is public static void main. So this is the entry point to any class, and I can write system.out.println. Now this is the command to write anything to the console, system.out.println. You must see the letters which are in caps and the letters which are in lowercase. So S is caps, whereas the rest of the letters they are in smaller case. So we'll say welcome to the world of Java. So I made a class A, a public static void main. Now you must write main in exactly the same manner. No shifting of words, no capitalization of any word. This string is an array. So exactly same nomenclature you must write for a main that must be called by the system. So again I'll repeat the same procedure. Compile the file, and now again run the class which has the main, and I get the output welcome to the world of Java. So this is how we can run our first program on DOS prompt. Now another point worth seeing is that although I can name my classes as any name within any file, however there is a small rule to it, is that in case I need to make this class public, then you see there's an error. It says in case a class is public, its name can only be the same as that of the file. So in case I need to make this class public, I need to change its name to first cup. So any class that can be public within a file first cup can only be first cup. So this serves the two purposes. First, to locate a public class, it locates by the file name. Secondly, there cannot be two public classes within the file. So any other class, if I name B as public, there is an error, because then the file would have to be named as b.java. So now everything runs, except I have to change the name of the class that I need to run. Earlier it was A, now it is first cup. So similar, we can run this hello world in Eclipse. Created a file, and then within the main, now as you can see, Eclipse automatically creates a public class same name as that of the file. So this is all default in Eclipse. So I can just print Welcome to the world of Java. So there's less scope of making mistakes in Eclipse, as if I write small s, you can immediately see there's an error coming. So we can note that there is a problem with the spellings of system. So I can just correct this down. If you leave any semicolon, you get an error. So there's error checking, as soon as you type a line, the system checks for any errors in that particular line. So it's much easier working in Eclipse. So as soon as you get hold of the thing working in Notepad, you can shift to Eclipse. So this is the command to run your program, and this is where the output comes, and you can see welcome to the world of Java. So guys, welcome to the world of Java, and let's hope it becomes your cup of coffee.